Hi guys, just a short tutorial video where I want to show you how you can post GIFs on Instagram feed and edit it on the application of CapCut. So if this sounds helpful, then click till the end and let's get straight into the video. Open up your application of CapCut and choose the GIF that you want to upload. As you can see, this is the GIF. Now if you want to make this GIF longer, you can simply tap on the plus and again add in the same GIF. You can also add in text if you want. After you're done editing the GIF, you can simply upload it to your device. After the upload is complete, you can head over to Instagram. Select the Reels option on your Instagram and pick the GIF that you just edited. From here you can also add more stickers and sounds to your GIF if you want, and simply tap on next. Again tap next. And just like that, the GIF has been added to Instagram Reels.